Ha kajing Pyrshah ka bakrau na ka benta banyak khun Pyrshah kajing jur jangkal Lyer Jaboh ha kithan kaput jangka Assam ban Meghalaya ka Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya kala ai jing mut ban Thaw no da ka committee ka bahakli ne ka joint action committee u chairman jangka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board u R ne na malayu lapan bana ba kani kajing terwa katmu banwan ra kajing etrelang jangki he gihan na baro artli Jylla ban lam khmat ye kajing Pyrshah balathmu ban te lakam ye kajing Jaboh ha ka jaka babon ki karkhana kata ha Byrnihat kani kajing thmu kadang ap ye kajing munjul na ka Sorkar Assam ban je ki officer ki ban etrelang bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya kani ka committee kan pet banya ya kaban pentre kam mikilat kilenti bante lakam mikitlong jing Jaboh ha keleng ki jaka khaput jong ka Assam bat Byrnihat
in order to keep the collaborative activities to control the pollutions, we proposed coordination cum joint action committee with officials of the Assam government. So the proposal has gone from the Meghalaya side, and however the reply we are awaiting, and still we are awaiting for the reply, and the officers who will be nominated for this joint action committee, and once they nominate and we notify this committee, and also after that the regular review, monitoring and all being done regularly we can to control the pollution in the border area of Assam Meghalaya. And as per the record of today, it shows that air quality index is 166, which falls under the moderate category of pollution. As per the source assessment study conducted by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board with the help of NERI, we found that there are many sources which is causing pollution, from where the pollution is occurring. So out of those are mainly road dust and industries and transport department, and the minor sources are residential households, eateries, earth removal and open burning. Having known these sources, all these pollutions from these sources has to be plugged, and for that we have planned for the graded action plan for controlling the pollutions. So the direction has been given to all these line departments to take measures to control the pollutions. And besides, we have proposed a coordination cum joint action committee involving the officers from Assam and Meghalaya. So this proposal has gone from the Meghalaya side to the Honorable CM of Assam to nominate the official concerned from these line departments to be a part of this committee to take a measures to control the pollutions. So we are waiting for the reply from the government of Assam. Once it is done, and we can work out how to control the pollution from the Assam and Meghalaya border area of Byrnihat. As I said earlier, there are